We are pleased to show you the 2014 GLK Class. Based on the C-Class, the GLK joins the small upscale SUV class. Its smooth 268 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 delivers quick acceleration and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback